There is this series called Ancient Aliens. They are showing our gods like aliens. Is Earth a space lab for aliens? So I have not really watched this series, maybe an episode or two at most. I am aware that they kind of depict India's gods like aliens, like extraterrestrial beings. I think there is a very erroneous and somewhat disrespectful depiction of India's gods and India's culture. They are trying to see everything through a very particular, very specific lens. So if the only tool you have is a hammer, then every problem looks like a nail. So that's the kind of approach they're taking. Everything is aliens, everything is extraterrestrials. All ancient technology was possible because extraterrestrials gifted it to us, not because we are intelligent enough to develop it. So I personally do not put too much credence into some of the conclusions they are drawing, especially about India's ancient gods. Maybe some of the other facts that they are bringing out may be valuable and valid. I don't know. But the part about Indian gods, I do not really agree with that. I think it's a little disrespectful. Is the Earth a space lab for aliens? Well, we don't have any evidence as of now. We don't have sufficient data to come to a conclusion. I would like to see more data, and then we can comment about it. So, like the one of the previous commenters said, some information is going to be declassified soon in the United States. So let's see what it is, and then we can maybe come to a better kind of understanding about what's happening.